Salud production. Hey boys and girls, welcome to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, with another fun cocktail today. Please don't forget to check our last video, which is his and hers summer cocktails. For the boys, some of the beers, the snake bite. For the ladies, the kumquat gin and tonic, which is gonna be a success for all those thirsty guests of yours. Anyway, production. Have you ever had a margarita in Venezia, in Venice? Well, according with this book, The Beautiful Booze by Natalie Meglarini, we're going to be making this fabulous cocktail that involves Volcán de mi Tierra and Aperol. Please stay here with me. Let me show you how to pour this tasty beverage. Okay, so Margarita in Venezia or Margarita in Venice. This book actually has like a really good suggestions, really good cocktails, and also a really good presentations. But I was looking at the ingredients of this one, and I was like, production is gonna love this one. So let's start with this guy. How are we gonna be making it? So easy. 2 ounces Volcán de mi Tierra Blanco. 1 ounce Aperol. Fresh orange juice. You're gonna go for half of an ounce. Lime juice, fresh as well, 1 full ounce. And agave nectar. Well, I'm sorry, agave syrup. Remember, your syrup is used really easy. Equal amounts of agave nectar and water. Stir, and then that's going to be your syrup. So you're going to go for half of an ounce of agave syrup. Let's put some ice. Well, the trainer is like, okay, enough shaking. Let's get a nice, fancy margarita glass. Pour our baby in and garnish with a lime well. Margarita en Venecia by Volcán de mi Tierra and a beautiful booze. Cheers, everyone. Remember not to drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, production.